Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vishvesh and today we're giving this bad boy a little TLC session. So boys, the monsoon season is here and keeping your motorcycle clean is almost next to impossible, especially on Indian roads where potholes, puddles and untimely rains are very common. So how exactly are we going to keep our bikes clean? I mean, you just cannot go for a pressure wash every now and then. And washing your bike at home is something that I don't really recommend because the air is very humid in monsoon season, so the water won't evaporate properly and it will seep into some cracks and crevices and lead to rusting. So what exactly is the solution? Well guys, the solution is very simple, and that is what we are going to be discussing today. I'm going to be using these two products that I have in my hand right now. One is a matte polish from Wavex and the other one is also from Wavex, and it is a high heat resistant wax based polish. And both of these products are going to be used on this very bike, and I'm going to show you how you can not only keep your bikes clean, but also you can protect the paint, the matte paint and the powder coated matte paint on the engine, but also you can protect the paint, you can maintain the matte finish, and you can avoid paint peel off, chip off issues, and also avoid your matte paint from turning into gloss. So without any further delay, let's just get down to the business and let me show you guys how we are going to apply this, and then we'll discuss it further. So guys, you saw it's like a very easy thing to do. Hardly takes around 5 to 10 minutes of your time. It's almost a walk in the park, I'd say. The best thing is that you're not using any water, so the rusting issues are not going to happen. If you guys ask me like, Vishwesh, what is the application frequency, that in monsoon season, I would recommend that you apply the matte polish like almost every 15 days and the wax polish for the engine and silencer area for around 30 days. So that is the frequency only for the monsoon season. And if you ask about what are the precautions that you should take, then the biggest precaution that you should take is that don't mix up the cloth. I have used this cloth for matte polish and this one for wax. You should also use the same. Don't mix up the cloth, because the last thing you want to do is end up having wax on your matte paint. It will ruin it permanently. You won't be able to reverse that. So make sure you use different cloth. Secondly, in case you have a bike like mine, the Signals or the Stealth Black, that has a matte paint and a black engine, then you need to use both these polishes separately. But in case you have something like the standard 350X or the 350X ES that has a gloss paint and a matte engine, then you can only use the wax polish for in the entire surface area. You don't need to use the matte polish at all. So that is the thing that you have to keep in mind. Otherwise, everything is very simple. So that was all for today, guys. Make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me if I have missed upon something. If you have other things that you do to keep your bike clean in the monsoon, do tell me that. I would love to hear from you guys on that. As for following me on social media, you can follow me here. here as well as here. And till the next time guys, I'll see you guys in the next. Take care of yourself. Bye.